What are the zeros of f of x equals x cubed minus 11x squared plus 39x minus 45? Looking at this problem, I'm really not seeing any hints in my answer. If you do, please let me know. So I'm going to list the possible zeros. Remember, that's done by looking at the factors of the c term, our constant term here. And with a little bit of thinking, obviously 1 goes into 45. It's 1 times 45. I like to make a list forwards and backwards. 2 does not go into 45 since 45 is even. However, 3 does go into 45. 3 times, grab a calculator, divide by 3 is 15. 4 does not go into 45. 5 does. Multiplies with 9. And 6, 7, 8 do not go into 45. So there's my list of possible zeros. Again, if you work forwards and backwards, you get them all relatively quick. For the sake of time in this video, I'm going to let you know that I already previously have done this. Right, so let me move my old paper away for a second here. Put this one back. Again, for the sake of time, you would have to, I've already tested whether or not 1 and -1 are zeros. However, pause the video at this time, check my work. I do not get a zero remainder when I synthetically divide by 1. I do not get a zero remainder when I synthetically divide by -1. Therefore, neither of those are zeros. Again, I urge you to do this out on your own and check them. So back to the drawing board. 1's out of the list. Normally in class we have 2, but 2 is not on our list, so let's check 3. And what do you know? It will probably work since Mr. Udall has waited to this point. Anyway, set up my synthetic division, drop my 1. 3 times 1 is 3. When I add those, I have a -8. I will add. Alright, back up here. -8 times 3 is -24. 9 minus 4 is 5. 1. Multiply 15 times 3, 45. And what do you know? I do get a 0 as a remainder. Therefore, 3 is a 0. We need to find all the zeros. So I have started with the cubic. I now have a quadratic. It's x squared minus 8x plus 15. I'll use the quadratic formula, which is the opposite of b, plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. A is 1, b is -8, c is 15. Opposite of b is 8, plus and minus the square root of -8 squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. At this point you can use your calculator. I'm going to do this out by hand. -8 squared is 64 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 15 is 60. All divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Still need to simplify underneath my square root here. 8 plus or minus 64, remove 60 is 4 over 2. Oh, wonderful. Square root of 4 is positive. I'm going to get 2 zeros here. 8 plus the square root of 4 divided by 2, and 8 minus the square root of 4 divided by 2. 8 plus 2 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 minus square root of 4 is 2. 2. 8 minus 2 is 6 over 2 is 3. What is interesting about this problem is that my zeros are 3, 3, and 5. If we go back and check the answers, I'm sorry, whoa, hello, and back. None of that appears as possible solutions. So I will be contacting the textbook company where I got this question from. However, let's answer this question. Actually, we did. 3, 3, and 5 are my zeros. I'm just going to add a little extension here that if you were asked to write this in factored form, you would have x minus 3,
Excuse the interruption. Michael
x
Wheelock. Please report
minus
to
5,
OSF. Michael
and
Wheelock.
x
Please report
minus
to OSF.
3. And notice these groups are the same. We could write this with an exponent as x minus 3 squared times x minus 5. That was not asked, but I figured I would extend that and show you guys. Thanks for watching this ridiculously long video.